It's now just a matter of time before the Jamaica Premier League is given official approval for the return of spectators to matches. Fully vaccinated spectators will be allowed at 4 venues across the island. Jermaine Brown tells us more.
There could be fans in the stands at Jamaica Premier League matches in a matter of days. This as the Ministry of Local Government is expected to approve spectators for the league at 4 venues island-wide: the National Stadium, Stadium East, Sabina Park and Drax Hall in St. Anne. Chris Williams, chairman of the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, the body responsible for the running of the league, says they are now awaiting official approval.
We have had several meetings with the ministry, including the minister, and we have not, up to the time of this call, we haven't received an official letter as yet. So we're on standby. We see the various newscasts as well, and we're on standby to receive the letter. But certainly, we expect that we will be getting the necessary approvals.
It's understood 1,300 fully vaccinated spectators will be allowed at Drax Hall, but a percentage of the total capacity of the others was still being worked out. Williams says the approval of spectators would be a major boost for the competition.
From two respects. Firstly, it gives us the ability to play in front of fans and to add that drama to the current league setup, and which will obviously drive the motivation of the players and lift the standard of the game. And then secondly, of course, it gives us the ability to increase our revenues and therefore provide the clubs with a greater share of profit from the league.
Could the approval come before the week is over?
Yes, I do. I mean, I will be in touch with the officers throughout today, and we expect to call a special board meeting this week to mobilize ourselves to put the plans in place to execute.
12 teams are taking part in this season's JPL, which will enter Week 6 come this weekend. The Jamaica Premier League has been without spectators since its official return in the COVID-19 pandemic in June 2021 with a truncated season. Jermaine Brown reporting for TVJ Sports.